Well, you know, the aviation industry has made a significant commitment to reduce its carbon footprint in the United States, or in the world. And Airbus, as an industry leader, and our customers, we want to be responsive to that commitment. So we're working very, very hard to reduce carbon emissions by the use of alternative fuels. Well, you know, we got with our customers, and in particular JetBlue, who's one of our most loyal and best customers, and we said, you know, we have a vision for the future to deliver airplanes out of Mobile, Alabama with a blend of sustainable fuels. And JetBlue says the future is now. Let's do it now. So we made a commitment with our partner JetBlue to deliver airplanes, 10 airplanes, out of Mobile, Alabama with a 15% blend of sustainable fuels. And we want to do that then with all of our customers out of Mobile. And then to create a source of alternative fuels in the southeast United States, particularly Alabama, and make sure that that fuel is available for not just Mobile, but for all of the airlines and all of the airports in the southeast United States. It's an aggressive program, but it's doable. Well, for a long time, I've wanted to create a source of sustainable fuels in the southeast United States. Our industry has made the commitment. It's something I know can be done. We can connect the dots. Airbus is uniquely positioned to get all the stakeholders together. We're working with the technology companies, the universities, the capital sources, the offtake, in other words, the airlines. I think it's a responsibility of Airbus to provide the leadership for this initiative. Well, JetBlue is terrific because they are an innovator. They have an imagination. They want to be ahead of the rest of the industry. So when we decided to partner with them to have a blended fuel delivery program for JetBlue, it was something that would naturally fit, and we were more than pleased to be responsive to JetBlue's request.
I'm here in Mobile, Alabama because this is JetBlue's first flight with renewable jet fuel. A first for JetBlue, a first for Mobile, Alabama, and a first for our customers. This is the future of aviation. It's going to give airlines and consumers back control over the impact we have when we fly. Renewable jet fuel is made from things like plants and used cooking oil. That means we don't have to be reliant on fossil fuel to get jet into our planes anymore. When it comes to renewable jet fuel, the safety is here. The physics and the chemistry have been solved. The only thing standing in our way is how to get the supply chain of renewable jet fuel to places like Mobile, Alabama, and that's what we're solving for today. I love to fly. I love to see my friends and family in new places, and we want everyone to be able to have that opportunity. A big step to getting us there is renewable jet fuel. Renewable jet fuel can be made of many different things, unlike fossil fuels. It could be made of oil from plants or used cooking oil, like our fuel here in Mobile, Alabama, and it reduces emissions pollutions by 60% per gallon. That's a big deal. Renewable jet fuel is safe. There's nothing in the chemistry or the physics keeping us from using it. The only thing we all need to figure out is how to get the logistics for renewable jet fuel to places like Mobile, Alabama, and then all over the United States. This is a first. We took a big first step towards nailing that logistics supply chain so more renewable jet fuel can fly more people around the United States.